Welcome, everyone, to another episode of our podcast. Today, we have the eminent naturalist and biologist Charles Darwin joining us. Charles, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss my work with you.
Your theory of evolution by natural selection revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. Can you tell us about the journey that led you to formulate this groundbreaking idea?
My journey began during my voyage aboard the HMS Beagle, where I served as the ship's naturalist. During our expedition around the world, I observed a tremendous diversity of life and collected numerous specimens of plants, animals, and fossils. It was during this voyage, particularly in the Galapagos Islands, that I began to formulate my theory of evolution. I noticed variations among species inhabiting different islands, suggesting that they had adapted to their environments over time. This observation, combined with my studies in geology and biology, led me to propose the concept of natural selection as the mechanism driving the process of evolution.
Your theory challenged deeply held beliefs about the origin and diversity of species. What were some of the key challenges you faced in presenting your ideas to the scientific community and the public?
Indeed, my theory faced considerable opposition, both from religious authorities and from within the scientific community. Many people were uncomfortable with the idea that humans and other species shared a common ancestry, and that life had evolved gradually over millions of years. The main challenge was presenting evidence to support my theory and addressing the criticisms raised by my peers. I spent years meticulously gathering data, conducting experiments, and refining my arguments. Even after the publication of On the Origin of Species, the debate continued, and it took time for my ideas to gain widespread acceptance.
Although your theory was controversial at the time, it has had a profound impact on biology, ecology, and other fields of science. How do you see the legacy of your work shaping our understanding of the natural world today?
I believe that my theory of evolution has provided a unifying framework for understanding the diversity of life on Earth. It has revolutionized fields such as biology, ecology, and genetics, laying the foundation for modern evolutionary theory. Today, my ideas continue to inspire research and exploration into the mechanisms of evolution, from the molecular level to the ecological scale. Evolutionary biology has helped us understand how species adapt to changing environments, how new species arise through speciation, and how biodiversity is maintained over time. Furthermore, my theory has profound implications for our understanding of humanity's place in the natural world. It reminds us that we are part of a vast and interconnected web of life, shaped by the same evolutionary processes that have shaped every other living organism on Earth.
Charles, your contributions to science have been monumental, and your legacy continues to shape our understanding of the world around us. What advice would you give to aspiring scientists and researchers who are inspired by your work?
To aspiring scientists and researchers, I would offer this advice. Cultivate curiosity, skepticism, and a willingness to explore the unknown. Science is a journey of discovery, and it requires dedication, perseverance, and an open mind. Be prepared to question established beliefs, to challenge conventional wisdom, and to follow the evidence wherever it leads. Remember that science is a collaborative endeavor, and it thrives on the exchange of ideas and the pursuit of knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Above all, never lose sight of the wonder and beauty of the natural world. It is through careful observation and inquiry that we uncover the mysteries of life and gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity and complexity of the living world.
Thank you for sharing your insights and wisdom with us today. It's been an honor to have you on our podcast, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you in the future.
The pleasure is mine. Thank you for the opportunity to discuss my work. May the spirit of inquiry continue to guide humanity on our journey of discovery. Farewell.